Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of the Wax Busters, where today we will be busting yet another, this might be the 5th absolute memorabilia.
I think we're up to like
Maybe
8 or 9.
10, but you know, it's a good product, fun to bust.
I'm going to start with a pack that's already open. Last time I did that, I ended up with a Calvin Johnson rookie auto. Might just do it again. That'd be pretty sweet.
What are we looking
There we
at
go.
here?
There we go. Oh, 77 of 100.
Some
Oh, I'm going to like
Steelers.
that. Triple jersey. I don't got any problems with that. That's PC.
What do we got? We got Hines Ward, Roethlisberger, and Willie Parker. Numbered 77 of 100.
This is something I can use. Hopefully this is my RPN. Another Team Trios. Jaguars. Ugh.
Okay, here we go. Fred Taylor, Byron Leftwich, and Maurice Jones-Drew. Leftwich is now in the Falcons, so numbered 99 out of 100.
Alright, we might have a patch here. It's a thick one.
Do we have another team tree? Oh,
It's a thick one. Something I've never seen. Ugh.
Heroes, looks like an autograph.
Marion Barber. Autograph patch. Number 25. Single colored patch.
Marion Barber, autograph.
Sucks.
13 of 25.
That's probably my hit right there.
So you're looking for your RPM now.
Garbage. Johnny Lee Higgins. I love the Raiders.
I think I got another one of him. No, that was out of Leaf Certified, that's right.
11 to 25.
Out of 849.
Well, people are going to harass me for that.
There we go. We got the Steelers team trio, the Jags, Marion Barber, autograph patch,
Might as well be a jersey.
and Johnny Lee Higgins. Thank you.